Hello everyone, welcome to Heather's Home Kitchen. I'm registered dietitian Heather Klug from the Karen Jans Women's Cardiac Awareness Center. Today I'm going to show you how to make mojito chicken kebabs. So here's what they look like. We've already cooked some up ahead of time. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make them. So the first step is to cut up your chicken. So I just got chicken breast and you're going to cut them into about 1-inch size pieces, and I put those in a bowl. You could also put them in a Ziploc type baggie too if you prefer. Next, we're going to make the Mojito Marinade, okay? So this is really easy. A lot of similar things that are in one of my favorite drinks, the Mojito. So you're just going to chop up some fresh mint and put that in a small bowl. We're going to add in a little bit of lime juice. We're going to add a little bit of rum. Okay, this is white rum. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And usually in a mojito there's a little bit of sugar, but we're going to use honey in this recipe. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon. And for the whole recipe, you can go to KarenJansCenter.org to see all the ingredients and the amounts in there. And then we're just going to add in just a little bit of salt and pepper, okay? Then we're just going to whisk it all together. If you'd like it kind of even more together, like mixed, like really well combined, you can stick it in a blender or a small food processor and do it that way. All right, so see, real easy to kind of throw together. We're going to put that right on the chicken. Okay, and then we're going to mix that up in here. I'm going to do this as best I can. Okay, now normally you'd want to let this sit for about 20 minutes, okay? So the chicken can really kind of absorb the marinade and all the delicious flavors in here. All right, so after it's sat there for a while, what you do next is you're gonna thread them onto the kebabs. So I have some nice metal kind of kebabs here that we're gonna use. And you just wanna poke it through kind of the middle section here. You should be able to fit about 5 to 7 pieces on there. If you have wooden skewers, you can use those too. I would just recommend you soak them maybe for about, I don't know, anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, just to make sure that they don't start on fire when you set them on the grill. So I'm just going to thread one of these on here, but I could probably easily get about 2, maybe 3 skewers. And I'm doing about half the recipe, just so you guys know. We did the other half to show you what it would look like. Okay, so here's kind of an example of the skewers. So what I'm going to do next is put them on the grill. So what we've done with the grill is we have this heated to about medium-high heat. And then we're going to put these over indirect heat on the grill. All right, so you're going to want to put these about crosswise on the grill. So I'm just going to set it like that on there. And then you're going to put the cover back on, and you're going to allow these to cook for about 8 minutes on the first side. Flip them over, and then about 8 minutes on the second side, and voila, you're done. So real easy mojito chicken kebabs. Again, this is what they look like. Super easy, really delicious. And you can serve these, I would say, with like some brown rice or maybe like a baked potato or roasted potatoes and a vegetable. You got a nice, easy meal for the summer. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.